Hey everybody, welcome back to Chapter 2, Part 2, where I start trying to glue the models together. So off camera, I spent longer than I'd like to admit trying to match up the pieces with the numbers. So if you missed it in the previous video, I thought I was being super efficient by getting all the, weapons out, getting all the backs out at the same time, and I wasn't paying attention that there were slightly different numbers and that certain weapons correlate to certain, back armor pieces, and so I was in a bit of a mess. So I went through the video that I recorded, I went through the sheet, and I tried to match them all up perfectly. As you'll see later in the video, that didn't go to plan. So here I'm just trying to make sure that everything joins together as expected. But what I wasn't doing here was checking that the arm sockets will fit the armor. So I'm just trying to clean them up. There's a bit of plastic still left over. So then I'm still just trying to just make sure everything fits together, but I didn't do a good enough job. So you can see that I checked that the arms fit the weapon, but I didn't check the arm socket. And if you haven't done miniaturing before, like I hadn't up until a couple of days ago, these things are really small. Like, these videos make them look quite large, but in reality they're kind of minuscule. I mean, I guess they're called miniatures for a reason. Here was making my first glue on the feet on the base, and so now I'm just gluing the chest piece together. These miniatures are tiny. They're even tinier than what you expect. These videos kind of make it look like they're a lot larger. So I kind of just repeat this for a while, but eventually I glue a gun on to a piece that it doesn't belong to, and so it sort of just created this rabbit hole that I had to go to. So I've had to kind of cut some minis and kind of splice them all together, just trying to get something to work. That was my cat that has appeared. So I just keep repeating this again and again. I'll show you in a second the 5 finished ones, and hopefully the damage that I had to wreck them isn't too obvious. I guess it's a valuable lesson learnt. So this is what the finished product looked like after I put them together. I'm happy with the bodies, but some of the weapon cords have just been completely mangled, beyond repair. I'm going to go with the angle that they've battle hardened and they've seen some better days. Really an expensive lesson. I mean, I guess it was only $13.50. So here are the tops. I've noticed there's big gaps in the armor plates. I'm not sure why, what I would have done to have caused those gaps. So I saw online that if you put a little bit of cement plastic stuff on them, that kind of heals them a little bit. This kind of works. It kind of gave it a weird texture, but it did kind of fill the gap. So I'm hoping when they're primed and painted, it won't be noticeable. But something to check in on the next video to see if this was an epic fail or not. So now all 5 things are ready, but my cat wanted more attention than I was giving it. So this is a strong message that it's playtime and I've been doing too much Warhammer. But after the cat's being played with, I noticed that the bases were quite different before I primed it. So on the ones that I got for Christmas in the first chapter, you can see there's little textured rocks on the Space Marine, and on the Necron here you can see that there's some details around the base that they're standing on. But on this, I don't know if that's all of them or just this Warhammer Imperium magazine that I got, but the bases were just completely bare. So what I did is I went into the garden and I found some rocks. This was one of the YouTube videos I watched. Suggested that you can just DIY your own rocks. So I tried to find some small ones. I gave them a bit of a wash and a dry first. And then, I don't know if everyone has like a drawer in their kitchen that just random stuff like batteries and candles ends up, but I have these super glue that I got for like $2 at a discount store. So my plan is to kind of glue some of these smaller rocks on some of the bases just to kind of make them a little bit more unique and interesting, so that when I paint them, there's some texture more than just like coloring on the base. So I was trying to work out like how big a rock. I didn't want them to be too big and then kind of like, you know, boulder size. I kind of wanted smaller ones, but on this model here, the feet were quite, you know, forward, so I felt like there's a lot of space in the back there that's kind of bare. I did kind of struggle a little bit with this. It didn't really go to plan. The cat's tail hitting the models constantly didn't help, but a little bit of trial and error, and I managed to get a lot of them down. I didn't really care too much if the super glue went on the base because I just thought that's going to be more texture to paint. So at this point I just started to just kind of glue the smaller ones on directly, but I don't think many of them stayed. And then it's priming time now that the rocks are there, so just wanted to make sure that, you know, they don't fall off. And then it's outside, so you can see that I'm standing too close here. I need to probably get a better implement or something to get the spray paint more evenly applied. At one point I just sprayed it way too close to the model and I thought I completely wrecked it, but it seemed to dry off okay. So let me show you the final product. So this is what it looked like. Yeah, this second one here was the one I thought I ruined, but it came a little bit better after. But yeah, I was pretty happy with it. The rocks seem to get coated okay as well. I hope that the paint will stick to them. But yeah, I had to try and get... These models were a little bit tighter, so it's hard to get some of the primer inside the finer details. So now they're inside ready to paint, which will be coming up in the next part of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and thanks everyone for your comments. That's been really appreciated.